Hi everyone, so today is just a little quick video showing you some tags and then a little over the page thing that I made. I'm in the middle of doing a design team project for the old design shop, and you can find a link below to Julie's shop over on Etsy, and there is a 50% sale on over there at the moment, so don't walk, run over there and check out what's on sale. So here I'm just making a couple of little tags and then an over the page thingy. I don't know what you call it, but it goes over the page. But I am going to show this again within the much bigger video that I'm making, and it's from like a journal cover to just a little bit of the process of how I make my journals. And this is obviously some of the process, just showing little clips of what I do to a journal when I'm making a journal. So that video will be coming soon, as I am probably 3/4 of the way through that. So yeah, enjoy this process. I'm not going to talk anymore because I am going to talk about it in the bigger video that's coming soon, okay? But if you do have any questions, just ask and I will get around to answering them as soon as I possibly can. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and you can share it, and you can save it onto like your own playlists if you want to. So yeah, just enjoy the process.